Hey everybody, it's your girl, Kiata Mincy Parker, delving into a whole new chapter of I don't know what, Pictures and Cocktails. Pictures and Cocktails is something that I've been doing for so long, since 2017, and I really wanted to take the time to make it my focus. I'm in a new chapter in my life. I'm an empty nester, I'm a wife, I'm an influencer, I'm a philanthropist, I'm just all these things, and I was losing me, and I wanted to come back to me and do what makes me happy because I've spent so much time taking care of everyone else and I want to be me. So what you can expect from me: luxury, intimate cocktail and mocktail experiences, exclusive, fun places that I'll be, shenanigans, of course, a few guest stars, you know who they are. I have the same circle of people, you know who they are. But I really hope that everyone kind of follows me on this journey and just help me grow more and more into the person that I know I was meant to be. Cheers.